Dear learners, greeting from Dr.J.Praba, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Kaveri College for Women. In this module, we are going to discuss about auditors' appointment. Appointment of auditors. Who is an auditor? A person appointed and authorized to examine accounts and accounting records, compare the charges with the voucher, verify the balance sheet and income item and state the result. Or any individual trying to review and verify accounting data and recognized as a chartered accountant under Chartered Accountant Act 1949 is deemed to be an auditor. The purpose for the appointment of the auditor. The purpose of the auditor in the company is to protect the interest of the shareholder. The auditor is obligated by law to examine the accounts maintained by directors and inform them of the true financial position of the company. Auditor gives his independent opinion to the owners or shareholders of the company to protect and keep the company in safe financial condition. Appointing authority. The first auditor, casual vacancy other than resignations are appointed by Board of Directors. Casual vacancy due to resignation, appointment and annual general meeting auditors are appointed by shareholders. The next one, central government going to appoint when the shareholders and board of directors fail to appoint the auditor. In case if need arise to appoint special audit, then the auditors are appointed by the central government. Next one, controllers of capital issues. Appointment in case of government companies are appointed by controller of capital issues. Appointment of auditor by board of director. In case of first auditor, board of director should appoint an individual or a firm as the first director of the company within 30 days from the date of the registration of the company. As per the provision of the first directors can be appointed by the board. Point number 3. However, in case where board of directors fail to appoint the first auditor of the company, they shall inform the members of the company. Thus, the members shall appoint the first director of the company within 90 days at an extraordinary general meeting. The first auditor may remain in office until the conclusion of the first annual general meeting. Appointment of auditor by board of directors. In case of casual vacancy other than resignation, the casual vacancy arises due to other than resignation, then board of director of the company has the power to appoint auditor. Procedure. The board of director of the company within 30 days of arising of casual vacancy appoint a statutory auditor on the place of old auditor. Such auditor will become an auditor of the company up to ensuring the consent form and eligibility certificates. Hold the board of meeting and pass board resolution for appointment of auditor. Procedure for appointment. Form filling. Board of director will file ADT 1 within 15 days of passing of board resolution. Circular resolution. It is passed by board resolution is enough for appointment of auditor in case of casual vacancy. Appointment of auditor by shareholders. In case of annual general meeting or subsequent auditor may be appointed during that time. As per 139 subsection 1, every company shareholders shall appoint at the first annual general meeting an individual or a firm as an auditor of the company. Appointment of auditor can be done by passing the ordinary resolution. Auditor shall hold from the conclusion of the meeting till the conclusion of annual general meeting and thereafter till the conclusion of every 6th meeting. Hold the office. As per section 142 subsection 1, the remuneration of the auditor of a company shall be fixed in its general meeting or in such a manner as may be determined therein. In case of or in company, nationalized bank and any corporation formed under any special Indian law Appoint auditor only by passing special resolution. Appointment of an auditor by shareholder. If a casual vacancy arises due to resignation of auditor, then new auditor will be appointed by board of directors, but such appointment shall be approved by the shareholders in their extraordinary general meeting. Provision. Board of directors of the company within 30 days of the arising of casual vacancy appoint a statutory auditor in place of old auditor. In case of extraordinary general meeting, such appointment must be approved by the shareholders in the ordinary general meeting within 90 days of appointment of such auditor. Terms of appointment. Such auditor will become auditor of the company up to ensuring auditor general meeting. He is liable to retire or may be reappointed on ensuing AGM. Ordinary resolution. Such appointment shall be approved by passing of ordinary resolution in general meeting. Form filling. Board of Directors will file ADT 1 within 50 days of appointment of auditor in extraordinary general meeting. Circular resolution. Circular resolution passed by board resolution is enough for appointment of auditor in case of casual vacancy. Filing of management 14. No need to file E-Form MGT 14 in case of appointment of auditor. Procedure by company. While filing E-Form within 15 days of passing of ordinary resolution in general meeting related to resignation, section 140, subsection 2. Resigning auditor will send letter of his resignation mentioning the reason for resignation to the company within 30 days of registration. Resigning auditor will file E-Form ADT 3 along with the detailed resignation with ROC within 30 days of his resignation. Appointment of auditor by central government. The central government may appoint an auditor in the following situation. When no auditor is appointed or reappointed in annual general body meeting, where the special resolution is required, where the auditor appointed the AGM has not accepted the appointment, where the appointment of the auditor at AGM is void ab initio, special audit in case of company violate the rules and regulation. The company should apply to the central government along with the list of the names of the auditor whom the company suggests for the appointment by the central government. After due consideration, the central government appoint the auditor. The company failed to inform the central government about the situation mentioned above. The company and officer in default are punishable with fine to the extent of ₹500. Appointment of auditor by Controller and Auditor General of India. In case of government company, the Controller and Auditor General of India shall appoint the first auditor within 60 days from the date of resignation of the company. The Controller and Auditor General of India fail to appoint such auditor within the particular period of 60 days. The Board of Directors shall appoint the first director in the next 30 days. However, if the Board of Directors also fail to appoint the first auditor within 30 days, they shall inform the members of the company. Thus, the members shall appoint the first auditor of the company within 30 days, and then it is applicable for the extraordinary general meeting, the days extended to 60 days. Also, the auditor so appointed shall hold the office until the conclusion of first annual general meeting. In respect of the financial year, the Controller Auditor General of India shall appoint an auditor within a period of 180 days from the commencement of the financial year. Such auditor shall hold office until the conclusion of annual general meeting. Also, the Controller, the Auditor General of India shall file any casual vacancy in the office of the auditor of the government company within 30 days. Controller and Auditor General of India fail to fill such vacancy within the period of 30 days. The Board of Directors shall file such vacancy within next 30 days. Procedure for appointment of auditor. Intimate the proposed auditor regarding intention of appointing him as an auditor and ask whether he is eligible and not disqualified to be appointed as the auditor of the company. Obtain consent and certificate from auditor. If audit committee required to be constituted under section 177, then its recommendation, and you have to follow the recommendation under section 139, subsection 11. And then you have to call for board meeting, approve the appointment of auditor at the first board meeting, intimate the auditor, and file with ROC form ADT1 to be attached to the form of GNL2 as per MCA circular 9/2014 dated 25th April 2014 within 15 days. Thank you.